Hi, I'm Michael with Houston Grass. We get a lot of questions about measuring areas for grass, and so we put together this short video about how to use Google Maps to help you in that endeavor.
The computer version of Google Maps has a built-in measure distance tool that can be used to measure the area of your lawn project. However, sometimes the Google Maps satellite view is obscured by trees or other obstructions. We recommend that you start by using Google Maps to check the satellite view of your project area. You should type your address into the search bar and hit enter. If you have a clear view of the planned project area, then Google Maps can help you get a good estimate of the amount of grass sod you'll need. If you don't have a clear view of the project area with the satellite, there is a GPS walk and measure method that will work for you. We have a link to that video in the video description. Ready to get started? If you haven't already done this, open your internet browser and go to Google Maps. Step 1. Find your home. Type your address into the search bar and hit enter. Once your home is visible, click the Layers icon, it's typically in the bottom left corner, and switch to the Satellite View if it's not already in Satellite View. Step 2. Start measuring. Zoom in close by using the plus icon in the bottom right corner until you can clearly see the edges of the area you want to cover with new sod. Right-click directly on your starting corner, maybe a fence line or the edge of a sidewalk, and select Measure Distance from the menu that appears. Step 3. Trace the boundary. Now, click along the perimeter of the area, placing a new point every time the edge changes direction, like at the corners of your flower beds or driveway. Be sure to exclude any areas you are not sodding, like your patio, walkways, or the area underneath permanent trees. Step 4. Get your area. To get the square footage, click your final point back onto the very first point you dropped to close the shape. The box at the bottom of the screen will instantly display the total area in square feet. That's your final number. If you need to adjust any of the lines, simply click and drag any of the existing points to make your shape even more accurate. The number will update immediately. Divide the total area by 450 square feet per pallet, and that's the number of pallets you'll need for your project. We recommend that you add 10 to 15% to your order to account for the fact that some portions of sod pieces are wasted by cutting them to fit around sidewalks, shrubs, and flower beds. If you have questions, call us at 281-431-7441.